Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to blur background and photos on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Well, most modern Android phones such as Samsung and other Android brands have a built-in portrait mode or live focus that automatically blurs the background. Usually, they just open the camera application, swipe to or select portrait or live focus mode, point the camera at your subject or person, tap to focus, adjust the blur level if available, and then capture the photo. However, there are some Android phones that don't have that feature, like my phone. So if ever that you don't have that feature, don't worry. You can just go directly to any web browser and then type blur background online or blur background for free. You will see here different or tons of online websites where you can blur your background. All you have to do is to upload your image. Okay, tap on upload image here. Select that picture from your gallery. So you should take the picture first before you do it. Now, once done, it will apply the blur effect of your background of the picture that you have uploaded. Wait for a couple of seconds, and this is the result of using this online tool. Basically, it will just blur the background, and you can also adjust the level of the blur effects. So basically, this is the result. And I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.